In the early 1970s, it was one man's vision of coming up with an innovative product that can save everyone's time in the kitchen. In 1985, after years of hard work, continuity and restructuring, Mr. Manilal Gala came up with India's first hand blender and changed not just Indian kitchens but also Indian households forever. This paved a way for the foundation of Boss. Soon, Mr. Gala was joined in this endeavor by his sons, Mr. Paresh and Mr. Prashant, to set up their first manufacturing plant and head office in Daman and Mumbai, respectively.
हम लोग ने स्टार्ट किया था 1985 में 300 स्क्वायर फीट से। हमारा रिसर्च अभी भी चलते रहता है और अगर कुछ भी उसमें अच्छा दे सकते हैं तो हम लोग उसके सारे मोल्ड्स इन हाउस बनाते हैं। मोल्डिंग वगैरह इन कुछ सब कुछ इन हाउस होता है, तो क्वालिटी काफी जगह पे मेंटेन होता है।
We advanced in our technology for stamping, for motor making, because it's one of the heart or core of the product. Once we started working on it, we came out with a lot of other innovations. So it gradually manifested into setting up a bigger factory. So those channel partners, we are working with them for more than 20, 25, 30 years also. Our original principle of the company was work on our ethics and transparency, and that kept on helping the company to grow. We have been there in the market for 30, 35 years. We have been able to service our products for a very long duration. The quality and consistency of the product are accepted and very well appreciated by our customers. We have grown leaps and bounds in the recent past. So we have grown to many export markets and we look forward for it growing to other countries also.
Today, Boss, because of the distinctive advantage of Mr. Gala's far-reaching vision and their commitment to providing excellent and value-driven products, has grown from a single product to a wide range that covers 60 plus products in 13 different categories, ably supported by our service centers pan-India and a network of 6,000 plus retailers across India. Our headquarter in Mumbai is the center of all our strategic thinking, growth and innovation. Our teams here work relentlessly to support the vision and mission in the short as well as long term and focus on providing only the best products for our customers' needs in the kitchen. Situated only a few hours away from Mumbai, our plant in Daman is where all the planning and strategic thinking takes the final shape of our products. Let's see what really goes on behind the process of blending. The manufacturing of each hand blender and mixer grinder goes through a plethora of processes under the supervision of our experts. Each part of any product that's made in the factory is carefully carved and molded, following the manufacturing guidelines with extreme precision. Here's how a Boss mixer grinder is brought to life. A whole lot of raw materials go through multiple processes to make various parts, which are then assembled together to develop a mixer grinder, like a motor, blade, jar, cover, body to name a few. All come in different shapes and sizes. A few of these components require oiling, coloring and finishing, while some take the final shape perfectly from the start. And after putting them all together, our mixer grinder is now ready to use. Just like while cooking a meal, first all the raw materials go in, get processed as per their required time and temperature to bring out the right texture and flavor, and then combined together to have the perfectly cooked meal ready to serve. Our advanced mechanism makes the final product look like a work of art. The mixer goes through the testing phase in our QC lab at various stages. Once approved, then only it goes through the assembly line and then finally packaged and stored in our warehouse till it is ready to be shipped off to its new destination. Boss have gained the affection, trust and preference of not just Indian households, but have also established our presence in the USA, Gulf countries, SAARC regions, African countries and many more. And soon we plan to capture and expand in other countries as well. Our policies in compliance with the Indian and international norms like ISI, CB, GMARK have won us several awards for its business ethics, quality, consistency, user experience and innovation. And with over 75% female employees leading the way through our day-to-day processes and activities, Boss is truly led by women at its core. After 35 years of being pioneers and industry experts in the kitchen appliances sector in India, Boss is now taking a leap forward into the global market to consistently raise the standards in product utility, innovation, and durability.